Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own remote monitoring system using just a few simple components. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need an ESP32, an expansion board, and a humidity and temperature sensor. First, connect the data wire to pin 4, the black wire to ground, and the red wire to 5 volts. With your hardware set up, head over to Adafruit IO and sign up or log in. Once there, grab your IO key and username. We'll use these in the code later. After that, create data feeds for both humidity and temperature. It's also time to set up your dashboard by adding widgets to display the data. Next, download the source code and open it in the Arduino IDE. Before you upload, make sure to update the Wi-Fi credentials and Adafruit IO details in the code. Once uploaded successfully, your dashboard will start displaying real-time data from the ESP32 sensor, which you can easily monitor remotely through a web browser or on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates.